In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a missing cursor on Windows 10 and 11. Losing track of your cursor can be both frustrating and inconvenient, but with these simple steps, you'll have it back in no time. Let's dive into some quick fixes you can try. First, let's start by refreshing your display drivers. This action helps to reinitialize your graphics system and can often restore a missing cursor by resetting the display settings. To do this, press the Windows key along with Ctrl, Shift, and B simultaneously. You'll notice a brief screen flash. This signals that the command has been executed, and in many cases, your cursor should reappear shortly after. If that doesn't work, let's move on to another method. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete simultaneously to bring up the security options screen. Often your cursor becomes visible on this screen, and once you press ESC, you'll return to the desktop, with the cursor hopefully back in place. For many temporary glitches, a simple system restart can work wonders. Just like how our minds feel refreshed after a good night's sleep, a system restart can help resolve minor software hiccups, including a disappearing cursor. Simply restart your computer and check if your cursor returns. If you need to dig a bit deeper, accessing the device manager is the next step. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box, then type devimgmt-msc and hit Enter. This command opens the device manager, where you'll find a list of all hardware components on your computer. Use the down arrow key to navigate to mice and other pointing devices, and press the right arrow to expand this section. Once you locate your mouse or touchpad, select it and press Shift plus F10 to bring up the context menu. From the context menu, navigate using the down arrow to Update Driver. Press Enter and follow any on-screen instructions to update the driver. This process ensures that you are running the most up-to-date software for your mouse or touchpad, which might resolve the cursor issue. In case updating doesn't do the trick, you might have to uninstall the device. Select Uninstall Device and press Enter. After you've done this, restart your computer. Don't worry, Windows is quite smart, and it will automatically reinstall the driver on startup. And that's it. Following these steps should help you get your cursor back in action. If the problem persists, consider checking for system updates or consulting with a technical specialist. Thank you for watching, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials.